World Organization CEO Julia Morley has criticized Miller McGee. She said, "I think she was sure she would not win the competition, so she left in a very improper way." She further said that contestants did disrespect the host country, which welcomed with open arms. Julia Morley, in response to a question, said that Miller initially said that she had to leave as her mother is unwell. But later on, when she reached England, we came to know all her published article. Whatever the truth may be, this time, this pageant has come under controversy. It further raised questions about foreign women's safety in India. In the recent past, many foreign female tourists were disgraced, raped and sexually harassed. Finale will be held on May 31st. From the whole of the world, 108 beauty queens are participating. On the same day of final, Miss World 2024, Kristiana Pyskova will crown her successor.